Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying admin rights and your MFA method because Epona requires an authorized user to change SSO. Next, retrieve identity provider metadata, the Epona tenant ID, and any service account keys. These items let systems exchange assertions securely. Now open the Epona admin console and navigate to Security then SSO. This is where you'll paste metadata and select SAML or OIDC. Once done, keep a second admin session open in case you need to revert settings quickly. You now configure the protocol specifics so authentication flows correctly. If using SAML, upload IDP metadata and set the assertion consumer URL and entity ID. If OIDC, paste the discovery URL and client secret. Map IDP attributes to Epona user fields, email, display name, and groups, so permissions align. Choose signing and encryption settings to match your IDP security policy. Mismatches block logins. After filling fields, validate the connection using the test button and review the live assertion or JWT. You finish by enabling SSO in staged or pilot mode so a subset of users verifies behavior. This prevents mass lockout. Make sure to test login flows from different networks and devices. Monitor Epona and IDP logs for signature failures, clock skew, or missing attributes. These are the usual culprits. If something breaks, disable SSO or flip the rollback toggle, then use the retained local admin account to fix mappings or keys. One key troubleshooting tip: check time synchronization between servers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.